Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing the scope. Select the data range or press Ctrl plus A to include the whole sheet. Next, open Home, right arrow Find and select right arrow Go to Special and choose blanks so only empty cells are highlighted. Once done, scan for merged cells or header rows that might be misidentified. Make sure to exclude them. This step is critical because it isolates true blank cells and thus prevents accidental removal of rows that contain hidden formulas or important labels. Now, with blanks selected, remove the rows. Go to Home, right arrow delete sheet rows. Excel will remove any row containing a highlighted blank cell. Alternatively, right-click a highlighted cell and choose Delete right arrow entire row for the same result. If your sheet contains formulas that return empty strings, make sure to convert formulas to values first, because otherwise you may delete rows that seem blank but are formula-driven. Once removed, scroll and confirm contiguous data remains intact. Finish by validating the outcome. Apply a quick sort or set a filter to look for blanks so you can confirm no empty rows persist. If something goes wrong, press Ctrl plus Z immediately to undo the deletion and recover lost rows. Make sure you saved a backup copy before performing bulk deletions. That backup is your safety net. If merged cells or hidden rows caused issues, unmerge and unhide before retrying. This prevents surprises and ensures the delete operation targets only true blank rows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.